If you are getting a P0031 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0031. This code may be triggered when your vehicle's control module detects a fault in the heater circuit and oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P0031 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.